Hey guys, AppleWizard here, back with another video on my channel. Wait, this is not a video, it's my first video. So everyone, welcome to my new channel. This is called the AppleWizard, as you see, and I just want to, so this time I'm doing a new idea about app products. So this channel will include a lot of iPhone, AirPods, iPad, and a ton of new apps that I can help you guys, a ton of new updates like iOS 14 that's about to come out, and everything that you guys can think about an Apple product. So guys, to start this channel off, I wanted to make a video on how to speed up your iPhone, because everyone has an issue with iPhones, with their speed and stuff. So I'm here to help you how to increase the whole speed and stuff, and to also like clear out your unused RAM, which really affects your speed. So guys, I'm right here. Let me focus on here. Yeah, and guys, let's get started. So this method can work on any iPhone. It's just supposed to be a little bit new iPhone. So guys, let's get started. So here's my iPhone. So you just plug it in. You just turn it on. There we go. So over here, let me focus on this one. Okay. So over here, I have the App Store, and this is the app, but I will show you how to like install it. So over here, you go up to the App Store, and you should search up this name, CPU-X-Z battery life. Or you can also search up CPU-X, and it should come up. After you install it, you just press install, and after it's installed, you just like swipe up, and here's the app. Let me focus up. Yeah, and here's the app, and here's me. Yeah, and here's the app. So so you press this app over here, and it has a lot of information. It can, if you want to know a little more about your iPhone's technical stuff, like your operating system, your display, your processor, everything. This app has it, and it's incredible, guys. This app is amazing. But onto the how to increase the speed of it. So you go up here, you go up to your memory, and over here, let me focus. Yeah, and you go up here. Wait, focus up. Okay, and it says. So this shows a lot of information about what is your page falls, page outs, inactive, active, capacity, everything. So over here you press hurry up. And this shows like this, restoring memory. So this shows this, and after that, it should say, it says successfully freed up 680 MB, and that is a lot of MB. It's a half of a GB, guys, and it's a lot of MB. And you should see that your percentage should go low, since now it's more free. But this is not the only thing to do to clear up the whole thing. The other idea I have, this can work for any iPhone, whether it's new or old. But I will be using the iPhone 11 Pro Max for this one. So what you go swipe up, or you press the home button. You go to settings, and over here this is you, and you go up to accessibility. Over here, this should be an option that says touch. You press touch. You go to assistive touch. Oh my God, there you go, and you press the toggle on. And now it's on, and now you have this. So after this, you go up to over here, again back to the home screen of the settings, and you press general again. Press general again, and over here, if you go all the way down, here's an option that says shut down. You press that option. Do not press reset. Yeah, you go up here and you press this, and you hold the home button. After that, you will prompt it into this screen, and this means that your iPhone has cleared its RAM. So let me insert a passcode real quick, and now So guys, this helps your iPhone a lot. It becomes more smooth and stuff, and it really helps with apps and stuff. So guys, this was my first ever YouTube video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, be sure to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed today's video. And if you guys have any new apps or suggestions that you want me to try, I will be more than happy to try them. And this is AppleWizard, and I hope you all get wizardy with Apple Tech. Peace.